Hey, good morning everyone. So today we are going to IKEA and we'll find out what the hype is all about. And since it's a weekend today, I'm hoping the crowd will be very much high. So let's see how we can go there, how we can find the parking and everything. So I'll take you there. Let's catch up. So we decided to visit IKEA on a weekend, and that's on Sunday. So the time is about 1 p.m. now. We are leaving from Puram and we'll be taking the Hebal route and then going towards the IKEA, which is located in Nagasandra. It's about 30 kilometers from my place and it'll take about 1 hour 15 minutes. The traffic is comparatively lesser and the weather is cool too. Now we are finally at IKEA and we are moving towards the parking, which is located at the basement. So this is the parking space. IKEA has an ample amount of parking space for more vehicles, and also they have an extended parking space at Bangalore Exhibition Center, which is located about 2 kilometers, and they have their own buses for commute. So finally we are at the entrance, and now let's see how the crowd is and what the wait time is. The IKEA store is open on all days from Monday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and the Swedish restaurant is open from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Since it was a weekend, the waiting time was very high and it was about 1.5 hours of wait time, and finally we made it to the entrance. So this is the showroom entrance and it will take to the level 2 via escalators. The staff is very helpful and they guided us to where to start from and how to navigate from one place to another. It may be confusing when the crowd is too high, so it's always good to follow the numbered signs to find what you're looking for. The showroom is on level 2 and the market hall is on level 1. So this is the crowd that you can see here on IKEA on a weekend. And here is some flower section. So here is the living room storage section, and the storage bins are available at a very reasonable price, so you can just have a look. Some storage bins and space savers here as well. All the items have price tags on it. You can take a note of the product and the price along with the rack and section, and you can pick up the same in the collection point, which is located at L1. So here are some of the beautiful looking workspaces which are differently themed. And this is one of the conceptual workspace design and one of my favorites. Another concept of children's bedroom here. So here are the wardrobes and storage, which are spacious enough and available with different color options as well. This area has a wide range of beautiful mirror collections, both wall mount and those that can be placed on floor. Now here is the different bedroom setup with different color options and different theme. So you can have a look here. So here is another theme of bedroom with a beautiful setup and with ambient lighting. So this looks amazing. So this is another theme of bedroom which looks beautiful with the dual color setup. And here is another bedroom setup with beautiful ambient lighting. IKEA has a wide range of home furnishing solutions. Here you can see the bedroom furniture sets with different colors and concepts. They have various options for bedroom furnishing, including the bedside tables, chairs and wardrobes, etc. So you can have a look here. Here are some of the bedside furnitures which are reasonably priced. Here are some of the cushion covers which are available for below 500 rupees. So you can have a look here. Some spacious wardrobes here, and the bedroom concept, which is really good and which is very ambient. Some spacious wardrobes here. Some of the computer accessories like bags, cables and LED lights are available here. Some beautiful storage boxes at reasonable price. Here you can see various collections of tables and chairs with different color options. Some planters available here for about 59 rupees. So here is the kitchen concept. Here are the dining area furnitures with some good glass door cabinets. So friends, this was all about the showroom at level 2. In the next part I'll be covering the market hall, which is at level 1, along with the Swedish restaurant, the collection point and the billing. So stay tuned.